Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start right now by cooling the pan and filling it with warm water. This prevents cracking and protects the enamel. Add a splash of dish soap and 1 tablespoon of baking soda per quart to chemically loosen stuck food. Let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes, longer for cake-ton bits, because baking soda raises pH and weakens burned-on proteins and oils. While it soaks, prepare a nylon scrubber and a wooden spatula so you can work efficiently once the grime has softened. Once done soaking, drain most water and begin scrubbing with a nylon pad in circular motions. You want friction without abrasives because enamel chips easily. For stubborn stains, apply a thick baking soda paste, wait 10 to 15 minutes, then scrub again. Baking soda is mildly abrasive but safe when used as a paste. If a residue remains, refill with water and simmer with 1/2 cup white vinegar for 8 to 10 minutes to loosen carbonized food. Then turn off heat and finish scrubbing gently. Make sure to rinse the pot thoroughly to remove all baking soda and vinegar residues. Then dry it immediately with a soft towel to prevent mineral spots. Store the enameled cast iron with the lid off or with a paper towel inside to allow air circulation and avoid trapped moisture. If you see stubborn discoloration, repeat the non-abrasive cleaning cycle. If the enamel is chipped, stop using the piece for cooking because exposed cast iron can rust and contaminate food. Replace or repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.